Welcome back to the third part of our bone stock Ruger 1022 accuracy series. And today we're going to be shooting some SK match ammunition. This is 22 long rifle, of course. I believe it's a 40 grain bullet. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, well, nowhere on this box does it say the grain anywhere on it. Matter of fact, most of the words on this box I can't read because most of them are not in English. It gives a lot number, says rifle match, has 50 for the count in the box, but I don't see the grain anywhere. Don't see an advertised velocity anywhere. So it just says rifle match. I'm sure whenever I bought it, it said what grain it was in the description, but I can't remember. It's been a minute ago. So I'll probably put it in the title if I can find it whenever I go to edit this video. But for now, we'll just have to go with what velocities we get. We're going to be shooting. It's like I said, it's a nice little, just not copper wash, just a bare lead bullet. So we're gonna do as we did in the other ones. We're gonna get some chronograph readings, see what kind of average velocities that we get, and then we will set our target up at 100 yards. Like I said in the last video, I know everybody said, oh, 50 is better, but I mean, whatever differences you see at 50, you're gonna see multiplied at 100. It's not like the accuracy is going to, it's not like it's gonna really change that much as far as, you know, the angles. So if it's a half inch off at 50, it's gonna be an inch off at 100. It's not gonna make that much of a difference. I just think you can see a lot better as far as the group sizes, and it's easier to measure and compare and contrast at 100. So we'll set our target up. I'm gonna get back at 100 yards, shoot our 5 groups. But for now, let's go ahead and get our velocity readings. $9.95, $9.96. So far, good for consistency. $9.92, $9.71, and 1,000 even. It's pretty consistent. Having some hope for this one. All right, guys, we are back here at our 100 yard mark. Let's see, I'm gonna go for the top left one. Give me a second to get established here. I may or may not use this. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Like I said in the other videos, just using a little cheap Weaver mount, or a scope and mount. Nothing special here. Going for the top left. Looks like that's shooting extremely low. From what I can tell, the group don't look bad. All right. Let's go bottom left. be 5. Yeah, I would say those fairly low velocities probably has a lot to do with that point of impact being so low. If I remember correctly though, I think the Ely's, was it Ely's I shot last time? I don't remember. Whatever I shot in the last video, if I remember correctly, they were pretty low velocity as well. I don't know if they were as low as these, but. And I'm gonna make you watch me load a mag, which I don't do very often, but it is what it is. And it makes it a lot easier timing up the videos, if I'm being honest. If I don't cut this video, I just gotta line it up once, and then I don't have to worry about it again, as far as matching that camera with this one. All right, now let's go top, middle. Now let's go bottom right. Should be it. The group, from what I can tell, the groups don't look bad, but it's hard to really tell from here through the scope. I'll say this, these things have a funky smell to them. And like the biathlons that I shot last time, these are also really greasy. Really like an oily substance. I don't know. Somebody in the comments, the last one said it was because the biathlons was meant for cold weather. I don't know, maybe that's why they do these too, but these aren't biathlon, these are just match. So, I don't know. Hard telling, not knowing. All right, last stop, top right. I think that's it. All right, let's go get our target, see how we did. Okay, so a couple things to note here. One, I'm squinting like crazy because I left my sunglasses over there, but I'm gonna roll with those anyways. Two, did find out that it is a 40 grain bullet, so I put that on our target up here. Our average velocity was 990 feet per second, and this is the way that we shot our groups. So, with the exception of the first one being just a little bit larger than this one, it looks like the groups opened up as we went on, so that probably has to do with the barrel heating up and so on and so forth. I'll also like to note that there's very little flyer action going on with this round. Typically with the 22s, you get a flyer in every 5-round group, it seems like, just about it. This may have been a flyer on our largest group, may have been, but other than that, there's really, I don't see any distinctive flyers here. So our first group was 1.24, second one was sub MOA, it was a 0.91 group, 1.47 for our third, 1.81 and 1.93 for our fifth. So that puts our 5 group average to 1.47, and we threw out our worst group for a better of the 4 group average, 1.36. I mean, I think that's one of the top performers so far. I got a couple more to try in this series. So, but so far the other ammos have done better than the CCI mini mags, which we expected because the mini mags aren't exactly a match grade type ammo. But that's what I got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, stay tuned.